know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again, and people all hope you enjoy the holiday. All hope everybody safe. Only hope everything are going good like how it's supposed to. And remember, you see, this holiday season is more to spend time with the family and giving as well, and giving. But you don't really have a stress. The giving part was that, even though it's very good to give, but I feel like the people like take it out of proportion. It's more for family. So remember that. So Merry Christmas, even though we will get this probably Boxing Day or something like so. But Merry Christmas, Happy New Year when it come, and all those lovely things. Topic for today is PopCaan album. Yeah, PopCaan album. Where they done the #1 earlier in the year already. PopCaan album where Nightly Fix them say don't really good. PopCaan album the #1 now. So we are going to talk about that. MACKA Diamond just touched down. How I go on right there. So that Tiida girl here. JAH. Anyway, I can't wait to get to that topic there. And JAH, the Santa Claus. I mean, the ghetto people Santa Claus. All of that and more coming up. Everyone know the Dan, the man, the one, right now, me are
Chaddy TV.
Chaddy TV, and we say check him out for all your news, your views, your reviews, and everything you need to know, is it me?
And YouTube, come in say YouTube, that show, and such show, yo.
Yeah, Chaddy, I'm your biggest fan.
It's exploded right now. So people, the first thing we want to talk about is JAH and giving back to poor people, giving back to the community. A matter of fact, watch this video right here.
Yeah, Merry Christmas. See it, yeah. I have them for the ladies them. And watch that. All I think them in the world, I have gift phone at Christmas time. For the kids them I have not. The ones them I feel like nobody cares. JAH will be here for you this Christmas. Merry Christmas to all the children. I'm coming to you right now. God bless you.
So, JAH uploaded that video on Christmas Day, which would have been yesterday, the 25th of December, along with the caption, Merry Christmas to the poor and needy children of the world. You see me? And that video kind of start one little controversy something, because when me look in the comment section, both you have people that say, yo, well done JAH, yo, a them thing we need to share, a them thing the vloggers them need to share, a them thing people need to talk about. Yeah, that are some set of people I say them thing there. Then you have some detractors I say, yo, once you start video yourself and give things and stuff like that, it's no longer called giving, it's called promoting. But I don't know. One time I read some of the comment. Alright, let me read a couple of the comment then. So Marzi P say, you all need to share this like you all share the negativity. I love this. Bless your heart, JAH. You see me? And people, they love that. Then another person say, JAH, when you broadcast what you give, it's no longer charity. It became promotion. Make who you give broadcast it at real JAH. Enough love and respect. You see me? And that I go on. So you have mixed feeling in the comment section, and I can go on and on and on. Some people love it, some people don't love it. Some people feel like say JAH should really load up the thing where I give, and others not really have a problem with it. But people, me are telling you my honest opinion on it. If me can share negativity on my page and stuff like that, if me can, I don't know if me share positive, right? If me can share some kind of foolishness and stuff like that, and nothing. If me share what me I do for help, you see me, it can inspire others, but that are just my thought. You know what I mean? Probably people that say JAH did kind of want a little weird with it, you see me? Anyway, let me know what you think in the comment section, you see me?
Yeah, Merry Christmas. See it, yeah.
MACKA Diamond just touched down. Check this out.
We just come in London, in the country in England. We have to pray when the plane land, because the flight is long. I mean, near MACKA Diamond, money yo, that's a my plan. So tell strategy, send a grand. You know, not Jamaica. You have to say you want to see it. So promote, I'm going to tell you what I need. So I'm from the mall, I'm not talking to you. Designer clothes, you want. Oh, son of London, the day to the West.
So people, see that if you want to see MACKA Diamond in London, well, me never know who want to really see MACKA Diamond still. But me know some MACKA Diamond have a lot of fans out there. So she's in London, yeah. She just touched down in the airport. Yo, JAH, I don't even know what to say. Just tell me if you like the remix, MACKA Diamond style. Put it in the comment section below. I know say me did a hurt pan one little freestyle for that touchdown something there. Just touchdown from North Pole. She a tell me she want pole. You see when me start pole, she start jump like tadpole. Anyhow, people, moving on. People, want to check out that video here right now. And only hope say no female subscriber we are watch this would have never do nothing like this right now. Check it out.
Merry Christmas! Hello! You see it right in front of you? That is yours, no? That is yours.
Wet man for the wet girl.
Tiida!
What? How you mean? What do you mean, Tiida? Melissa Car, what's your problem?
Tiida? This is...
Oh my god.
Wait, hold on. This is mine? Like,
it's yours. Like...
this is even new!
So based on the language barrier we're going, it don't sound like say the person here, the girl here, it don't sound like say she come from Jamaica. It sound like one of them Caribbean island there. But come on, my girl, people like uno make man cheat woman. So imagine the man could have spending last on a car, you know, and a good little Tiida day alone. The man can't afford. And you go on so and embarrass the man. So it's Christmas. Then it's Christmas. And the man buy a Tiida when not necessarily brand new, but nonetheless, it's a car, it's a thought that matter. And the man goes so booms and buy a Tiida. And you go really say this?
Tiida!
A Tiida!
Tiida!
I want a Tiida slap across your face. I come talk about a Tiida. And you can hear the girl in her background, you know. You can see that she's a good friend. I try motivate her. Say,
what do you mean, Tiida? Melissa Car, what's your problem?
people, ladies, me I beg you know, please be more appreciative. You know what I mean? Because if people are trying to do them thing here, like, man not gonna really want to do them something here. The man go out time way because of booms and buy a Tiida. I mean, even if it was a deportation wagon, you should be appreciative of it. Because bottom line, or I should say lower line, is the thought that count. You see me? If you know, say, yo, the man a pray and you good all have to walk or work, then from the looks of it, probably you never have a job. But you good enough to walk or shop on them thing there. The man like see how walk or shop on supermarket. And the man say, you know what? Me I go buy you one car. You see me? So the car can carry the groceries them and stuff like that. And in your response, you go talk about
Tiida.
JAH. Well, anyhow, still, people wanna tell me in the comment section. You see me? What wanna think about that girl? You feel so that girl had the definition them call of a butter yes girl? Comment and make me know. And for the man them where I watch this, wanna tell me where you done do? You see me? If you go so booms and buy the girl a car and the girl I talk about
Tiida.
where you go to sell it and buy a dearer car? Let me know in the comment section. So PopCaan just announced him album Forever the #1 on the reggae albums chart. You see me? iTunes reggae albums chart. And that's a good look. The boss put up the screenshot of it and comment #1 all over again. PopCaan Forever. You see me? So what me have to say? More than them dead? You see, that's a good look for PopCaan, you see me? And as well me I say, me still can't see how some people I say PopCaan album never good and it a sell so much. Me no know. Probably on different side of music or dancehall or reggae or listen. I don't know. But people, that's it for today. And yes, people, the busy period is over. The busy season over. You see me? So me can get back to doing these videos more often, you see me? So you know you get your twice a day, your one time a day, video them and all these things. You see, because I know me did a lapse one day, but people are just busy. Just busy. Don't forget, say, I host a live show every Monday night at 8, you see me? Last week, we were supposed to have Deep JAH, but because of some communication issue and stuff like that, he never did forget to forward. But we are going to reschedule. We still not figure out a day yet. So anytime we figure out a day when we go forward on the show, me I go make you know. But for now, still don't figure out a day yet. But next week, people, next week, just tune in. You don't know who we are going to have. Probably it's going to be the unruly boss, PopCaan. You see me? But it's your boy DJ Chaddy. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. And people, thanks for watching. I'm out.